Yo, welcome back. So let's keep working on Ultra Block. So now that we have level 2 done, we need to make sure that this goes to level 3. So first thing is creating level 3. So we're going to do the same thing we did for level 2. We're going to create a new scene. Edit scenes, add on the plus, add on the plus. Press on the plus or click on the plus sign. Call it level 3, level 03. Just like that. And 1, 2, drag it there. Click on it. And now we just need to set it up. And this is going to be the last one we're going to set up because we're going to make a template. So to begin, I'm going to make this black because white background is a no, no, no. Let's go on the grid. I'm going to zoom in so I can actually see what it says. Show grid. Setup grid. 9.6 by 9.6. 9.6 by 9.6. And click apply. Oh, we didn't change the grid color. I'm an idiot. Where is it? Setup grid. And change the grid color to black. That way it's basically invisible. Let's make the layer because our UI is missing. Add the layer. Type it in the same as the other ones, which is UI, like that. And we're set up to start building level 3. Now, before we start doing anything on this scene, so we don't always need to like set it to black, make the grid, do the layer, what we're going to do is create a template. We're going to duplicate, rename, delete, duplicate, level 3. It's like, are you sure you want level 4? It's like, no, delete that one. And we're going to call it empty scene. Empty scene. Press enter. There we go. So now we have a template at the bottom. So whenever we need one, we just duplicate this one and it's already pre-set up for us. So let's go to level 2 now. And let's grab Ultra Block. Gonna go here. And we're gonna grab our beginning. Copy all that and copy the character as well. I don't think I copied it right, so I'm gonna do it again. There you go. Copy. And now we're gonna go to level 3. And I'm gonna take a minute to see where the heck the square is. Okay, here you go. It's here, and then the middle is somewhere there. There you go. So now we have the beginning, right? Oh yeah, and we should go to our template because now I forgot events are empty as well. So let's go. Let's not be lazy. Let's just click add. Press add. Link to external events. And which ones? Game code. And we're going to delete that one we don't need. Now I'm going to click this one. I'm going to copy before I forget. Let's close level 3 events. Oh, level 2 events were right there. We're going to grab level 3 and I'm going to put it there next to level 2. And just so I don't forget, and so that it's set up for next time, we're gonna go to empty scene events, add one, paste the link, delete the empty one, and there you go. Next time we copy paste the empty scene, it's already gonna have the events pasted in for us. Uh, Pause menu events. We don't need this anymore. And we're good. So level 1, 2, 3. We're ready to keep building. Got our game code. So what was I going to do? Oh yeah, change scenes. So we're going to go to change scene. And we're going to build on this. There we go. I know it's a bit awkward when it's all the way down there. So when player is in collision with portal, we change the scene. So now to use the same portal to go to different levels, let's use variables. Because variables variables are awesome. Let's go to global variables. And we're going to add two also, we're going to delete the ones we're not using. Pause. Oh, I didn't change these. So these ones are still the same, the dashing. I just added them here, but we never changed. It's fine. We'll fix it some other time. I'm not going to delete these now. I'm going to add two variables. So I'm going to click it twice. One variable is going to be called next level. Oh, that's next level, ain't it? Oh god, I'll stop now. Let's make it a number. And his sister variable is going to be change level. And change level is going to be a boolean. I'm going to call it a boolean. So we got next level and change level. And this one's going to be false. And this one is going to be 2. Remember, put next level starting at 2. Because this is going to say, like, when we collide with the portal, we're gonna tell the game, hey, next level is number 2, and if it's number 2, we change to level 2, right? So let's click apply. And now let's make this into practice. So let's add an event down here and change the change scene down here to the new one. And when we collide with the portal, trigger once. I mean, this is going to be so quick. Trigger once isn't really going to make a difference, but just to be sure, we're going to add it. We're gonna. What are we gonna do? We're gonna add. So global number variable. Global number variable. And actually, I have it wrong. So change number variable. The variable is next level. Set to nope. We're gonna add 1. Press OK. So before we forget, because I have this backwards, we're gonna go to global variables, and we're gonna change the 2 to a 1. So we want next level to start at 1. Press apply. It's because on my other game, I have it set at 2. I don't know why, I forget now, but it's fine. This is a different game. It works differently, apparently. So we're going to change the global variable. Next level, add 1. And now we need to put the sister variable as well. The global boolean. Change boolean. Change level. Yeah, there we go. Change level. I'm going to put it to true. Just like that. And now on the event underneath, we're going to add global number variable. And the variable is next level. And if it's equal to 2, press OK. And now let's add the boolean. Global boolean. Boolean variable. Variable. Change level. Like that. Okay. And if it's true, so let's put this to true. So if next level equals 2 and change level equals true, that rhymed, then we change the scene to level 2. And we put the boolean change level to false. Like that. So every time we hit the portal, we add 1 to our global variable next level. We put this to true, saying that, hey, it's okay to change level. Then we go, hey, it's okay to change level. What's the level? Oh, yeah, the level is number 2. So change to number 2. And we change the boolean to false because we're going to change the level, put it back to false. Now we copy paste this. So basically, we're doing a state machine for our portals. Now we do this for level 3, which is if it equals 3. And if it's true, change this to false. And we change the scene to level 3. Just like that. Right? So we start the game. Next level equals 1. Right? Because we put it to start as 1. We go against the first portal. We add 1. Now it becomes 2. And if it's number 2, goes to level number 2. Now on level 2, we hit the portal again. So now we add 1 more. So now it's 3. And if it's 3, then we change to level 3. And so on and so on and so on. And all we need is 1 portal. We don't need to make more objects. So let's see if this works. Let's just quickly run through the whole thing. Watch me die 50 times and not be able to change the level. Oh, cool. We start at the end. This helped. Okay. So we're at 1, 2. Cool. What's shooting? What's shooting? There we go. That's shooting. And punch, punch, punch. And dash. 2, 3. That's actually so much fun, that interaction. I was waiting for the platform. Like, where is the platform? Not coming. This is fine. Then we need to fight this guy or jump on top of him. 2, 3. And jump on this. Jump on this. This is a fun level. I like this mechanic. I like these platforms. And then there. Now when we hit this, now it's going to turn to level 3. And shebang. It works. Just like that. Cool beans. Everything's working. We got a way to change levels with using only one portal. Right. So next episode, I'll make the game over screen so I don't make these episodes way too long. So next episode, game over screen, maybe a start screen if we have the time for it. Till then, I hope you like this. If you do, hit the like, subscribe, all that cool jazz. Leave me a comment saying if you're liking this or not. And I'll catch you guys next episode. Till then, peace out.